guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gwen Salmorin and I empower Filipinos, especially breadwinners, to live a life of freedom in finance and mindset. So, for full disclosure, as you can see in the title of this video, we're talking about insurance and I am affiliated with AIA Philippines as my health protection partner for my clients. So today, I want to talk about why reviewing your insurance policies is very, very important, or why is it crucial. So, story time, no? Um, in the Philippines kasi, no, let's say if an insurance advisor resigns, so nata-transfer yung clients niya from one insurance advisor to another. And then during that time, I think it was pandemic, if I'm not mistaken, a client was transferred to me. So, and then ano lang kami, no, nag-picture-picture kasi meron yung meeting na required. And then, after some time, no, nagkwentuhan kami, is, yun pala, is na-COVID siya. So, during that time kasi, the AIA allowed na even if COVID ka, tapos COVID positive ka, tapos nasa bahay ka lang, hindi ka naman hospitalized, you can claim the daily hospital insurance, daily hospital income rider rather. So, ang nangyari, nagkwentuhan kami, and then ang nangyari pala is na-COVID nga siya, and unfortunately, no, hindi niya na-file yung claim nung sa daily hospital income niya. So, malaki-laki din yon. So, in short, no, nasayang siya, hindi na na-file kasi kumbaga lumagpas na rin doon sa timeline na pwede mag-file. So, bakit nga ba important na nire-review natin kung ano yung benefits ng policy natin? Kasi una, there could be changes in terms of your personal information. So, lalo na with AA Philippines, very digitalized na. So, lahat ng mga reminders, mga information, sinesend yan through mobile or email. So, for some of my clients, pag hindi updated, ang nangyayari, hindi na lang nare-receive. So, nagkakagulatan na lang na, bakit wala na ako na-receive na reminder of my payment, ganyan. So, kaya very important that when your insurance advisor approach you, talaga, let's do a policy review. Isa rin kasi yan sa mga chine-check. Pangalawa, chine-check din natin dito, ano-ano ba yung mga benefits ng plan. So, usually, ang nangyayari kasi, no, and this is a very, lagi ko na-experience to with my clients din na yung policy nila is, yung mga bago kong clients, pag tinanong ko may policy na sila, yes, meron, no. Kailan mo kinuha? Mga 5 to 10 years ago. Tapos sabi ko, anong benefits? Basta merong ganun, basta merong ganyan. No? So, hindi mo na tuloy alam ano-ano yung mga benefits. And katulad nga ng kwento ko kanina sa client ko, sa new client ko na yun, is that nakalimutan niya. So, sayang hindi na kiklaim or hindi na serve ng insurance yung benefit na prinamis niya sa'yo. So, dito din, no, so mariremind ka rin, ano-ano yung mga bagay na benefits that I have, that I am entitled to, kasi you are paying for that. No, so you should know what you are paying. You should know what is the name of your plan, what is at least the basic benefits of it, gaano katagal mo siyang babayaran. So those are the things that you need to know. And ano-ano yung mga benefits na kasama nun. Kasi that is for you and you are paying for it, so you deserve to know what it is all about. And then, pangatlo, so meron din na tinatawag for insurance na mga investment value, yan, financial value. So kung VUL yung plan mo, mare-review din nun together with your insurance advisor. How much na yung value nun, nung money mo? Or kailangan ba mag-fund or mag-fund switch na tinatawag kasi let's say pa-retire ka na. So from high risk, ibababa natin siya sa moderate or low risk. So kaya it's very important, no, na you review and you remember what is in your policy kasi it does not just cost a small amount, no, but it costs hundreds of thousand pesos, no, and it is giving you a benefit of millions. So million yan yung binibigay yan. So hindi mo naman siya like kumbaga no, laging nakikita, 'di ba? Like let's say if you're gonna compare it with a car na may car insurance, kasi yung life insurance wala naman siyang ganon. But every day no, as you are going out there facing, 'di ba? So you are protected. So kaya kailangan alam mo din ano-ano yung protection na meron ka. So thank you guys no for watching this video. And again, if you have any more questions or suggestions, please type them in the chat box below. And we'll see you guys on the next video. So if you want to know more pala no, about what are your options with AI Philippines, and you want to know more about insurances and financial planning, there's a link in the description box below where you can book a free discovery call with me, and let's see how we can work together. Thank you guys. Bye.